Hey, Future Bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. Do you know what it takes to get on the USA Today bestseller list? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to share 7 secrets to getting on the USA Today bestseller list. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. I'm Lisa Daly. I'm a best-selling, traditionally published author of 9 books, and today I'm going to share with you how to make the bestseller list. Thanks so much for watching today. If you want to write a book you are super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell because I'll be posting all kinds of new videos to help you do just that, and I don't want you to miss anything. All right, on to the secrets. So unlike some other bestseller lists, New York Times, the USA Today bestseller list is actually based on sales, and not just any sales, sales through BookScan, as well as individual reporting from outlets like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Kobo, Google Play, etc. All right, here we go. 7 secrets to hitting the USA Today bestseller list. Number 1. You cannot hit the USA Today bestseller list if you are exclusive to Amazon. USA Today requires that at least 40% of your sales come from non-Amazon outlets. So that is an important thing to remember if you are releasing as an indie author and you're trying to weigh whether you should stick with Amazon or go wide. Number 2, the reporting week for the USA Today bestseller list runs from Monday to Sunday. And that brings me to secret number 3. Your release day matters. You have probably noticed that traditional publishers always release on a Tuesday, and there is a reason for that. And that reason is to coincide with the USA Today bestseller list. The reason they release on Tuesday, even though USA Today's reporting week starts on Monday, is because all of those pre-orders for your book actually get counted in the previous day's sales. So even though your book releases on Tuesday, all those pre-orders get counted on Monday. And the important thing to remember here is that if you're an indie author and you are releasing on, say, a Thursday, you're actually losing 2 full days of sales. That's 2 days where you're not getting sales reported to help boost you onto that list. So that's something really important to think about if you are releasing as an indie and you're really hoping to make the USA Today list. Number 4, you need to get your weekend sales counted on the weekend. You'll do an event with an indie bookstore or Barnes & Noble on a Friday or a Saturday night, but what you may not know is that a lot of times the bookstores don't ring up those sales until business opens on Monday. So if you're trying to make the list, especially if it's your release week, you want to make sure that you ask the bookstore employee or the manager to go ahead and ring up your sales that night. And that ensures that your sales will be counted during your release week, reporting week, rather than the following week. You want to make sure those sales are rung up right when they get back to the store and not left until Monday, right? Because if they're counted on Monday, you've already missed out. Number 5. The number of sales you're going to need to hit that USA Today bestseller list is a moving target. And of course, it depends on what other books are being released that week, how well everybody is selling, because you're all measured against each other. And so it's going to be a lot easier for you to hit the bestseller list if you happen to have a release during a slower week versus something like having a release in December where there's a lot more competition with all the publishers' great big books. How many books does it actually take to hit the list? Well, as you would expect, USA Today keeps a very tight lid on that information. But anecdotally speaking, authors have hit the list with as few as 7,500 sales. And if you want to hit the printed list, as in the shorter list that gets printed in the newspaper, that generally happens in the neighborhood of 10 to 15,000 units sold. But again, it is a moving target. It depends on your release week and what else is happening. Number 6, indie authors are a lot more likely to hit the list if they're doing a BookBub promotion. While it is not required that you do a BookBub promotion in order to hit the USA Today bestseller list, it definitely helps. And a lot of indie authors and traditionally published authors too credit their BookBub promotion with hitting the USA Today list. Number 7, many of the outlets report their numbers manually, and that can lead to human error. So you might have gotten a bunch of sales, but for whatever reason, they're reported incorrectly. Now, of course, this could also work in your favor if they report up rather than down, but it is something that you should be aware of. So what's the earliest you can find out whether or not all of your hard work to hit that USA Today list has paid off? Well, the USA Today reports the bestseller list for the previous week on Wednesdays online, and it is, of course, reported in the newspaper on Thursdays. So if you want to see your name in print, you're going to have to wait until then. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And remember, if you want to write a book you're super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. And I have a lot more videos like this one to help you do just that. All right, everybody, see you next time. For you to hit the